then I'm going to go the direction of mimicking a non-human sound. So a siren, right? So if we were pretending to be a siren, my voice is just an imitator of a siren. Can you try that? Cool. So we're going to make that sound. Okay, we're pretty close. So I'm going to have you do 3 cycles. See if you can get a little bit louder with each one. Good. Now see if you can keep your head still. Good job. Good. Would you say this is a weird sound for you to make?
Yes.
All right. But you're okay with embracing it and making it? Yep. This is actually louder than your screams were. Yeah? Yep. Okay. Do one more time. Good. Last time. Cool. How about if we did, if I said I want you to be real whiny, like a whiny little kid, and you went, why? Try that.
Why?
Good. So not your usual sound, right? But you're okay making it? Mm-hmm. So you do why? A little pouty face.
Why?
Good. Can we get a little siren in there? Why? Yeah, even whinier.
Why?
Good. How about a little louder?
Why?
Good. One more time.
Why?
Yeah. Last time.
Why?
Good. So to make to make sounds that we naturally make but we don't think about it, sometimes we have to make them up. And so in order to get those muscles that we need to be using in higher noted songs and songs where there are going to be higher notes, for our voices to be able to do that, we have to exercise those muscles. So you would use the siren and the whiny little kid as a way to place that sound so we get those muscles active. So let's see, where are we time-wise? Is there a count on this thing?
Here's your problem.
Thanks. Got it. So you just saw my face really big. We're going to do one more thing.
Wait, is it still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I totally forgot.
Say, how are you today?
How are you today?
I want you to say / kind of sing. How are you today?
How are you today? How are you today? How are you today?
A little louder.
How are you today? How are you today?
A little louder.
How are you today? How are you today?
A little louder.
How are you today? How are you today? How are you today?
Great. So, the response could be, I'm fine, and you? Will you say that?
I'm fine, and you?
Notice how your pitch went up on you?
Because it's a question.
Yeah. You know what's interesting? How are you today? It's still a question, but our pitches often don't go up on today. Isn't that weird? I just noticed that recently.
Yeah.
How are you today?
How
Pitch drops.
are you today? Yeah.
How are you today? We don't do that.
Yeah.
But we do, I'm fine, and you? Mm-hmm. So,
Weird.
our exercise pattern changes. So we say, I am fine, and you? Try that.
I am fine, and you? 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 I am fine, and you?
Okay.
I am fine, and you?
Okay. Great.
Yeah, my
So-
words mixed up.
I noticed, but that's okay. For the exercise, it doesn't matter. Do you notice a difference between the pitch pattern that just goes down, like on How Are You Today, and then the pitch pattern that goes down and back up?
Mm-hmm.
So which one feels more natural?
How are you today?
So going up requires more energy, just like climbing the mountain is easier than going down the mountain. Getting out of bed is harder than getting into bed. Singing higher notes takes more energy and tends to be a little bit harder at first than going down. So have that in mind. If I'm going up, I need kind of a whoosh of energy. So the way you can practice that is this exercise, which I call meoop. It goes like this. Meoop. and it's like just making a weird soundtrack. Good. Can you send it up with a little bit more energy?